So, the 7-year tribulation period. So, if you go to the book of Daniel, Daniel is the fifth of the major prophets. And you find this phrase in Daniel, a time, times, and a half of time. And you find this phrase time repeated throughout the book of Daniel. And the word time is in reference to a year. So you find this again and again and again, multiple, no pun intended, times in the book of Daniel. So Daniel's talking about a year. Well, a year can be 360 days or 365 days. So, which is it? Is it a 360-day year or is it a 365-day year? Well, then you go to the book of Revelation and you get the answer in the last book of the Bible, whether it's 365 or 360. And you find twice in the book of Revelation, in Revelation chapter 11, verse 3, and Revelation 12:6, you find the calculation. It's 1,260 days. And this is repeated twice in the book of Revelation. So if you add these two together, you get 7 years. That's one way to look at it if you look strictly from the book of Revelation. Well, just to be safe, because God's testimony, whenever God gives a testimony, he settles a matter, he gives at least 2 testimonies, and they verify or confirm what he has decided and what he is actually revealing. So if you take these 2 examples of 1,260 days each in the book of Revelation, and then you go back to the book of Daniel, where it is mentioned twice, time, times, and half a time, you find, so you take, it's a 360-day year. So if you take 360 days plus 720 plus 180, that gives you 1,260 days. So Daniel is talking about a 360-day year. In fact, Jesus himself even said the days will be cut short, meaning the time period will be shorter. So we see a shortening of the year in terms of the number of days during this specific 7-year tribulation period.